Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Sagittarius people, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright? Okay. Oh, Strength card. Sagittarius, this is your current energy, Strength and Death card. And this is your partner's current energy. So let's discuss about your current energy first. With this card, Strength, you are being very optimistic in life right now, Sagittarius people, okay? Because you are being somebody who must be dealing with a lot of conflicts in your life, okay? In your personal life, in your professional life, okay? You are dealing with a lot of toxic people in your personal and professional life, okay? But the thing is that you are being very optimistic in life. You are being very calm in life, okay? You know how to deal such people, such situations, okay? So you are being very calm and very poised about something in life, okay? You know, no matter how hard your situations are, you are being completely optimistic. All right. On the other hand, we have the Death card. This is your partner's current energy. It seems like your person has been through something in life, and something has ended into their life. And I always say that every ending is a new beginning. So it seems like that this person has, a new day is arriving into their life. They are experiencing new things into their life, okay? They are feeling a strong urge of change into their life, okay? So they are going through some kind of a changes into their life. Some kind of transformation journey is going on for them. All right, now let's see how you see them and how they see you. How you see them and how they see you. How you see them and how they see you. Oh my God. 10 of Cups. You see them as somebody who has everything within them, be it emotion, be it compassion, be it kindness, be it passion, be it peace, be it calm, okay, be it harmony, okay? So you see them as somebody with whom you can, make a good home, make a good life, make good kids, okay? And the union with them, you feel if they'll be part of your life, you are definitely going to experience the wonderful time of your life. All right. On the other hand, your person is also thinking in the same manner. 6 of Cups. Perhaps you guys are being completely unaware about each other, okay? So they are also being somebody who wants to who wants some kind of a meeting, okay? They see you as somebody who always, loves to spread positivity within their family and friends and social circles. They see you as somebody who is completely happy-go-lucky kind of a guy, or a person, okay? You are somebody for them. You are somebody who always, who can mingle with everyone. All right. So you believe in spreading positivity, love, peace and light, and that thing really adores this quality. Okay, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. 2 of Swords. Sagittarius, I feel with this 2 of Swords card, there is somebody in your mind, or there is something in your heart and mind, okay? For that, and that's why you have closed your heart and eyes, okay? It's not that you don't want to open it, but you just want to open it on the right time, Okay, I told you that you must be going through some tough time in your life, and that's why you are being very optimistic in life. Okay, perhaps you are smiling all the time, but what's going on into your mind, you are not letting anyone know about it. So yes, you are being poised, you are being calm, but when it comes to take action, you are waiting for the correct time, or perhaps you are waiting for the right time. All right, that's why you are not taking any action towards relationship thing. Okay, on the other hand, we have 10 of Pentacles. Okay, so they are being somebody who has everything in life with this 10 of Pentacles, be it in terms of emotion or, you know. 1 minute, are you guys together? Are you guys married to each other? It could also happen that you guys are married to each other, you guys are spouse. Love and relationship readings are not only for for girlfriend or boyfriend. This reading is can be for anyone, for husband and wife also. So are you guys together right now? I don't know. It seems like you guys are together because this person thinks that you are somebody who can make a good home, and you are being somebody who has everything in life. Okay, who has everything, every emotion. You have good home, good kids, good pets, good neighbors, you have everything. Yes, but when it comes to take emotion, you feel that okay, I have everything in life, what else I want, what else I want. So that's why you are completely confused. Sorry, your person is completely confused what they want, hence they are not taking any action towards you. Now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Okay, Two of Pentacles in reverse. So it means that you were being somebody who was juggling all the time in past, and now when this person has appeared in your life, or this person has arrived in your life, you feel that you have gained a little bit of stability into your life, into your mindset. Okay, so you have gained your clarity in your life, you have gained that balance into your life with this Two of Pentacles in reverse. On the other hand, we have the Hermit card. So your person is being somebody who's taking their own time to, this person must be observing a lot of things at this point of time. Okay, what will happen if I do this, what will happen if I do that, how will you respond, how will you react. Okay, so they are taking their own notes about you, about this relationship. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. Seven of Swords, and what is future potential for both of you. What is the future potential for both of you? Seven of Swords is the mutual energy. It seems like both of you wants to escape from somewhere. Okay, it could be your home, it could be your negative energies or negative thinking. So it seems like both of you wants to move out somewhere, or move away from some energy, some some place, some people. The future is saying that it's your person who is going to keep this relationship on hold. They'll be keeping this relationship on hold in future, because they'll be someone who will be, getting informations. I told you that they are getting a lot of information about you or about this relationship. They are taking notes, or they are making notes about you, about this relationship. So I feel that they are going to take their own time to come forward and confront their things, confront their thoughts, confront their feelings. All right, so future is saying that you need to wait for some more time. Now let's see what angels are asking you to do. Let's see what angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. No. And why no? I believe that angels are asking you to take action right now, because you are being somebody who has closed their eyes and closed their heart. I think angels are saying that it's okay. I mean, it's not the time for you to sit like this way. You have to take action, and this is the opportunity which can give you a lot of abundance and happiness into their life, into your life. Okay, this is the person with whom you can share the rest of your life. So, it is a no from angel sides, just to make you understand that you should not be into waiting energy anymore. Okay, start doing action, start taking action towards this person. All right. So Sagittarius people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this Hangman. We have Leo in this reading with the Strength card. We have Scorpio in this reading with this Death card. Some of you could be dealing with Virgo as well with this Hermit card. We have Air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with the Seven of Swords, Two of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with Water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this 10 of Cups and 6 of Cups. And some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 10 of Pentacles and 2 of Pentacles in reverse. And yes, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.